And then if we keep scrolling down here, we can see a section called the heat map, which is another really useful feature for just getting a snapshot of what's going on with the market. So if we click into this arrow here, this is going to bring up the full heat map. And this right now is showing us the performance of these various sectors over the last day. But if we're looking to change that, we would simply click on the filter icon and see if we change that here, that it shows the percentage change, and we're currently looking at the top 50. But if we wanted to look at, for example, year-to-date change and the top 50 sectors, we would then click here on confirm, and we can see that semiconductors have been very hot, as well as internet and content, as well as some other options here. But if we want to see a rundown list, you would simply select this icon to the right, and that's going to show listed in terms of the year-to-date percentage change, what sectors have been the hottest, and it's actually been precious metals and mining-related stocks. Below that, silver and gold companies, which really makes sense because of the action we've seen in the price of gold and silver year-to-date. And you can also click into these and see lists of individual companies. You can sort those by percentage change and change the time frame that you're looking at this as well. But this could be really helpful if you're just looking to get a snapshot of what's going on in the market, what are the hot sectors and what might not be, just to get different ideas here for investments or trades that you might be looking to make.